There's a strange island in the middle of the sea. We couldn't figure it out, but as we got closer, it revealed itself. Perched on the rocks, among the tropical trees, a panther lies. Its claws are embedded in the rocks. Its head faces the sea. Its eyes aren't closed. It's just waiting, like a predator. A panther, made of stone, of concrete, but a panther nonetheless. And inside, there are rooms, there are corridors, there is life. No one knows who made this, we don't know either. But when the workers arrived, we saw this more clearly. The panther hadn't collapsed. It was cracked, weathered, nature had enveloped it. But its claws were still in the rocks. The tools began to work, and the panther awoke. We were going to do this job.
Make it sweep higher. Careful with that edge. All right, careful with that panel. Secure the railing over there. Almost done here, looks great.
You notice it the moment you step onto the floor. The floor is different. The panther's paw pattern is felt with every step, soft, deep, real. This living room is anything but ordinary. There are dark tones, golden accents, and the spirit of the panther in every corner. Through the window, the turquoise sea is visible. Inside, there is silence. Outside, the ocean. This room draws you in, and it won't let you go.
Keep it slow and steady, watch the edges. Got it, looks good. Just need to fill this corner. Line it up perfectly here. Watch the edges, it needs to be flush. Looks good, let's seal it now. Keep it moving towards the front. Looks good, hold it there. Almost done. Keep working on that seam. It's looking good, just need to even out this section. Almost there, it's reflecting perfectly now. Keep it steady, watch the edges. Good, slowly now. Almost there, looking sharp. All right, let's get this perfectly centered. Hold steady, I'm pulling it tight. Needs to go a little to the left. All right, over here. Hold it steady. Slide it just a bit. Perfect, set it down. Looks good, looks good.
The lighting check is initiating. LED strips on, main fixtures engaging now. Perfect, the atmosphere is ready.
The structural damage is extensive here.
Yes, especially on the north wall.
Darkness and luxury come together in perfect harmony within the same room. Dark walls, deep hues, a low-profile bed. Yet every detail has been carefully chosen. Every material is intentional. Sleeping in this room at night feels different. Enveloped, protected, completely cut off from the rest of the world. In the morning, the sun streams in as a sliver of light. Just a sliver, but it's enough. This bedroom was designed for that feeling.
Check the reflection. Line up the slats. Need that screwdriver. Watch the corner. Heavy, ready? Push. Keep it tight on the edges.
Just checking the alignment.
Looks perfect. Let's head out.
The bed needs to go out now. Get the lamps off the tables first.
All right, turn them on. Initiating sequence 1. Beautiful. Step back, gentlemen. Looking good.
The damage here is significant, likely from water entry above.
Confirming that, the wall seems heavily...
Steam rises. The water is quite hot. The marble is cold. This contrast, the simultaneous sensation of heat and cold, resets the body. Outside is the sea. Inside is the spa. The panther knows how to rest. It rests before the hunt. It rests before the attack. This bath was designed for that rest. For you, our guests. Those who enter here emerge transformed.
All right, let's bring up the lights. Engaging the warm strips now. Perfect. Take a look at that panther. Absolutely stunning. Job well done. The system is ready. Perfect. Just the atmosphere we needed. The humidity is perfect. It's looking great.
Just finishing up here.
Excellent. I think we're ready.
The paint seems unusually preserved here.
The panther calculates every move. Nothing is left to chance. Every step is deliberate. This dressing room is no different. Minimalist, clean. Every shelf is in its place. There is nothing superfluous. Only the essentials remain. And everything essential is perfectly arranged. Because true luxury lies not in excess, but in precision.
I'm almost done mixing this batch. Needs to be perfectly level here. Keep it steady there, Leo. Almost got it. Needs to be flush. Almost done. Looking good. Perfect, perfect. Keep these shoes lined up perfectly. Make sure that dress doesn't touch the floor. Grab that pile of boxes from the pallet. Almost done here. Looks perfect now. Let's clear this equipment.
The rot extends up to the ceiling and over the...
Cooking in this kitchen is a performance. Modern appliances, spacious countertops, a professional layout. The open sea stretches out beyond the window. The morning sun streams onto the countertop. And there you stand, knife in hand, coffee by your side, the ocean before you. No other kitchen in the world offers this feeling. It exists only in this panther's kitchen.
Keep it even, don't miss that corner. Keep pouring, we need to cover the center. It's spreading quickly. Grab that smoother, we have to finish this section. Look, it's starting to take shape. Wow, that's incredible. It's perfect. Measure twice. Careful with the marble, it's heavy. Looks perfect. All right, almost there. Looking good. Lights on? Perfect. Job well done, lads. Tighten that screw there. Yeah, checking the fridge door now. Needs a little adjustment on the bottom.
The structure appears stable, but the internal damage is...
The panther is not the king of the forest, but it is the undisputed king of the night. It is the king of silence. It is the king of seeing without being seen, of feeling without being felt. And this throne room was designed precisely for that kingship. You walk through the door, the ceiling rises, the throne stands before you, and in front of the window, the endless ocean, the world's quietest, most powerful throne room.
Heave! Heave! Keep it steady. Watch the edges.
It's nearly perfect.
Let's move the lights.
Shape. The walls are solidifying. It's almost complete.
The drone rose back into the air, and the panther-shaped structure came into view, along with the entire island. His claws were embedded in the rocks. His head was turned toward the sea. All around it were turquoise waters, palm trees, and the sun. The cracks had closed. The walls were gleaming, and the panther was still lying in the same position. But this time, clean, strong, and ready. Years had passed. Nature had tried to take it, but the panther hadn't let go. Because panthers don't let go. They wait, they watch, and when the time comes, they rise. The time had come. This was a design concept. But that feeling, walking on that claw-patterned floor, waking up in that dark bedroom, standing in that throne room, looking out from that kitchen to the ocean. Which of this panther's rooms would be your favorite? Tell us below. If this video drew you in, there's a playlist on the screen. None of them are like this.
All right, careful with that panel. Secure the railing over there. Almost done here, looks great.